Discover the advanced capabilities of the GRANBO GL Series ultrasonic cleaner, meticulously engineered for diverse professional cleaning applications. The machine is equipped with a digital control panel that allows for precise adjustments of the ultrasonic process, with a timer that can be set up to 9,999 seconds, and a heating function that spans from room temperature to 80 degrees Celsius. Real-time monitoring of the frequency and current is made possible through the visual display, ensuring complete control over the cleaning process. The GL series offers a range of working modes to suit various cleaning needs. Standard ultrasonic mode for effective general cleaning. Pulse mode, which alternates high-intensity cleaning with rest periods. Ideal for delicate items. Degassing mode to remove gases and vapors, perfect for thorough cleaning in laboratory settings. Sweep frequency mode that varies the frequency by 1 kHz for a broader range of cleaning applications. A standout feature of the GL series is its noise reduction technology, which significantly lowers the operational noise by over 60% compared to conventional ultrasonic cleaners. The machine also provides the flexibility to select from multiple frequencies -28 kHz, 40 kHz, 80 kHz, or 120 kHz to optimize the cleaning process for different materials and items. The GRANBO GL Series ultrasonic cleaner represents a fusion of performance and adaptability, making it an indispensable tool for professionals in the laboratory, pharmaceutical, and industrial sectors.